Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you the unboxing and first look of a fixed blade that I got from CRKT. So it is a older model. This is the fixed blade Hissatsu. It was released in 2009 if my informations are correct, so that is 14 years ago, and it is one of designs from Mr. James Williams. So inside the box we will have some information about other knives. This is the mounting part for the belt. And the knife itself. So let me take it out and talk a little bit about the knife itself. So like I mentioned, the CRKT Hissatsu model number 2907K was designed by James Williams. He's a former army officer and martial arts practitioner, instructor, and he has over 45 years of experience in designing and training law enforcement and military tactical professionals. So he designed this knife to be a tool, or say self-defense weapon for all those personnel specialists who are on the front and in a really active environment. And his design is inspired on this Japanese Tanto style, mostly common known as Osoraku Zukuri. Well, let me show you the few Tanto designs, and to show you the Osoraku Zukuri is this one. So you have a prolonged tip, which makes the knife a little bit more prone to breaking, but has a much efficient and better penetration capabilities. So here are the different styles of Tanto designs. So the overall length is 13.5 centimeters, that is 12 inches. The blade is 18.1 centimeter or 7.1 inches. The blade width is 2.7 centimeters or 1 inch. Thickness is 5.2 millimeters or 0.2 inches. The handles are 12.3 centimeters or 4.8 inches long, with a thickness of 2.2 centimeters or 0.8 inches. The blade configuration, like I mentioned, is a Osoraku Zukuri modified Tanto point. The blade is made out of 440A stainless steel with a black EDP finish. Handle materials are twin fused, double injection molded with high impact polymer core. And the hilt is made out of Kraton, and everything is also fused with Kraton. So it is, you have more a softer rubbery feel to it. It is also a non-slip finish. As you can see, it is really close to a traditional Japanese Tanto design, in which you have the Oyatsubo, the Emperor's Note, on the one hand, so you can definitely feel when you are taking the knife out of the sheath where will be the edge facing towards. So this is not only for aesthetic purposes but also functional. On the blade we have the Hissatsu name, which translates to kill with one strike, and Mr. Williams usually translates it to a certain kill, a sure kill. CRKT logo on the other side. The sheath is made out of injection molded Zytel, basically plastic. The weight of the knife is 228 grams or 8 ounces, and with the sheath you have 290 grams or 10.2 ounces. As I mentioned, you can mount it on your belt via this plastic piece right here, but also you can use any kind of tech locks and your preferred mounting options. So definitely the design of the sheath was envisioned to be capable of keeping it on the belt or maybe on your gear, backpack, whatsoever. As far as variants go, so like I mentioned, this is a model that came out in 2009, so 14 years ago. There were a couple of models. There were basic two models were in satin and in black coated finish, and then was also a desert tan, also coated, and desert tan color of handle, and there was a blue color with a gray finish that was the trainer. Nowadays they should be available. I got one of here my local dealers in Slovakia, so there should be no problem to getting these. If for some reason you cannot get one of these, then just check on eBay or sites like those, so you will probably find one for yourself. It is a definitely really nice and sturdy traditional Tanto style knife. So if you need something like this, then the CRKT is a really good product to have. As far as pricing goes, the MSRP was $225 US, and usually these are selling at around $84.95, depending on where are you in the world. Some additional costs may apply. I have also mentioned that currently CRKT has also a newer faceplate design for Mr. Williams. It is the CRKT HZ6. So maybe in the future I will get one of those. That's definitely a little bit more expensive than this one, but has a more modern style with G10 handle scales, which are really coarse and aggressive, so that that knife will probably never slip out of your hands. Okay, so now let's continue with some size comparisons. So firstly, let me put in the picture the Hissatsu folder, which is the I would say smaller, definitely smaller version of this knife, but this is a folding version with a outburst assist opening. So basically there is a stainless steel rod that will push out the knife and complete the opening for you. And there is a still I'm not sure that what was the first. Probably if we are going by the model number, it should be the Heiho. This is the smaller knife, because this one has the model number 2900, in which this is 2907. So it should be the seventh knife in the line, but those numbers sometimes do not add up because there are other models that have different numbering. But if I would say I would probably stand by this, that the Heiho was the first. Then came the Hissatsu fixed blade, and then the folder, because the folder is the folder came then. This is 2903. Also in the line, a little bit larger, so the most knife size-wise is the Otonashi no Ken. As you can see right there. As far as competition goes, here's the Recon Tanto from Cold Steel. And here I have a traditional Japanese Tanto design. I have to know that CRKT also did produce the design by Mr. Williams, in which he designed 3 different larger versions of the Hissatsu, more inclined to be in these traditional size dimensions, but those are really hard to get by, and they were really expensive, and mostly intended for special military personnel. So also here is my Dark Edge Knives Marshall Imperial Tanto. This is a Pavel Jarabica custom. So overall, I must say it took me a really long time to get these knives to my collection, but now I'm really happy that I have them. And if you're looking for to see more these CRKT Hissatsu line of knives, then stay tuned on my channel. I will be releasing the videos. Okay, so with that being said, it was the CRKT Hissatsu fixed blade Tanto. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you're not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. With that being said, wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.